In this video, we will try to understand what is the difference between constant and read-only. Generally, we use the constant keyword in the C#.NET where we define the value. That value should not change at any time. Under constant, we are going to create the variable by using the constant keyword. And whenever we are going to declare the value by using the constant keyword, that must be initialized at the same time. And a constant, which is the implicitly static, I mean it's shared across the all the instance. That means whenever we are going to create the value by using the constant keyword, that value will be shared to the all the instance of the class. And next is the read only. Read only also it's look like a constant keyword only, but whenever we are going to declare the value by using the read only, then that value also will be the constant. And here the main difference is that you can set this value in the constructor also, whereas in the constant you must be initialized at the time of declaration. And it can be allow the different values based on the your instance. So for example, if you are going to declare the value before the constructor, and once you are going to create the instance, then at the same time you can change the value in the constructor as well. And once you are going to declare the value by read only, and you can't be change that value at any cost. We will implement constant and read only these two into our program.